Welcome back. In this practical number 3, we have started with the front view, and in front view we are about to create this group, or we can say this hole. Okay, you can see here there is a hole, and what is the dimension of that hole? You can take same dimension as that hole in the left side. It is having 13 mm or 13 units of diameter. Here it can be drawn with 13 mm or 13 units of diameter. But for this we need to track the center line, which should be at the center of this edge. So how to start with the center line? We have to select a layer, as we have created these layers, so we can have this layer center line. In the center line we just select the line command, and we can start drawing the center line along this. Before clicking anywhere, you can start this line command, and as center is tracked, you just click outside this, and after that you can click here. Okay, you can terminate it. Now this center line is ready. Now from this center line we have to create the hidden lines at a 6.5 unit distance. So let's have hidden line, and using this hidden line what we can do, we can take a line, you can track this line. Along this line you can create any point here. From that point you have to go, or in the right side, that is 6.5 units. Then come downwards, then go in the left side, 6.5 plus 6.5, that will be 13. Okay, you can see here 13. Press enter, then go upward direction and terminate. Escape button, press escape button to terminate. Then trim off unwanted parts which are not other than these hidden lines. Okay, now you are ready with this. Just terminate this trim command. You can press escape or press enter. Now this is front view, this is a total view we can see here. Now just to check the dimensions, I will use this dimension tool, and I want this length. Okay, that length from here it is 39 units, and length from here to here, just a minute. Okay, in dimension we start with this. Okay, this one is 8 millimeter or 8 units. This is like 29, this is 10, this is 23, this is 42. You don't have to overload this diagram with lot of the dimensions. Only few of the important dimensions should be given. Like this is 15 millimeter, we know that 15 unit is there. I want this one, this is horizontal, that is from here to here. Okay, like from here, 10 unit dimension is required, so this one is 10. And what is this, 22. Okay, so that's it, and this much is sufficient. Now from this you can get like 39 plus 22 plus 10, you will get whole length, and this is also known. Or we can do one thing, we can have this dimension also, that is from here to here, from here to here, that is 13 unit. Okay, so these dimensions are sufficient for now, but we have to complete all these. So just now check this layout, you can see the dimensions are shown with the dotted lines, and the main lines are shown with this continuous lines, the main object lines. So in the model again I will check, and I will draw the projections. We can select projection lines. Now we have defined only three lines, that is main line, that is 0, center line, okay, then hidden lines are given. So what we can do, we can create one layer of the projections. Okay, those projections we just have to select on the projection, then change the type of line. And for the projections we can use the continuous line, but that continuous line can be of a different dimension. Line weight should not be default, it should be Fenter one. Okay, so what we can do, we can select 0.05 millimeter, or we can change the color of this line also. There can be this can be also done. So let's see how can we start with the line command, L for the line. Now we have to just draw the projections from the corners only. So let's check the layout. Is there difference between these points? No, these lines are having same dimensions or same width. So what I can do, I can change the color from here. Projections, we can use like blue lines or paint blue, yellow. Okay, so I will prefer blue line for the projection, it will be visible properly in the layouts. So again I will go back to the model. In the model I will draw the projection using blue line. In line command, what we have to do is only corners first. Okay, let's start with all the corners, projections of the corners. From here another projection is there, keep pressing the enter after completion of the projection, then press line, after go to the corner. Okay, it is better to have only starting from the corner only. Okay, so line command, just get to this corner, from this corner you can draw one more projection and just press enter. You have to catch the corners only. Dimension are not important right now. You can hide this dimension by hiding whole like depth points are for the dimensions. You can like hide this. Okay, so there must be option to hide this layer. Okay, it cannot be turned off now, it is active layer now. Okay, but in other version of the software that option can be there, you can hide this whole layer. See, in a layout also we can have these layers, and we can try to change its property, like it is locked, you can unlock it. Okay, no, you cannot do this right now. Just complete this diagram now. So uh, only two projections are done. Now these corners are okay, but here one more corner is there. Along this line, you can start with this corner. Okay, this one. Okay, so what is this? You have to change the layer to the projections. Add this layer, add this panel. Go to line command. Just click on this, just don't click, just move your mouse on this line, and at some point from in this corner you can start this projection. My all projections are like straight line. Why? Because I have turned on this ortho option here. Under this option you can start and you can have straight lines. So here from this corner also we can have one more line command. Go to this line, just move your mouse here, then press here and just press here, then enter. Okay, it will be taking some time now. Okay, यहाँ पे close करना है, right? So after that press enter. Now these corners are ready. This corner, this corner, this corner, and this corner, and this corner. Okay, all the corner points are projected. Now what we can do, we can project these center lines and these hidden lines. So I would like to project the center line as a center line only. Okay, so center line, I will go to the center line layer and I will start with the line, or what we can do, we can just extend this line. Okay, इसको ही extend किया तो भी चलेगा. Okay, so again this line is there, you can just click on one of the end and you can extend the center line. Now center line projections are ready now. Okay, now hidden lines projection, I will prefer to here only projections for the hidden lines. So hidden line is starting from here, line command, then I will go here, then click here, then okay, enter. The line command, press enter, then go to this line, just move over this line, then go to the end of this, then press enter. Line command, press enter, just go to the hidden line, just move on the line, just go at the bottom of this line, then start the line, then end the line here. Line command again, move your cursor on this line, just press on this side and then press here, then press enter. Okay, now hidden lines are ready. You can check the layout here. So hidden lines are given by this color, right? Now you have to start with one of the one of the corner to start with the top view of this object. So we will start with this corner here. This corner will be here. Okay, what will be the coordinate of this corner? Okay, it was like a 0 to 100. This origin is at 100 comma 100 or 100 comma 0. So we can take 90 comma minus 10. Okay, so line command, coordinate of starting is 90 comma minus 10. Okay, कहाँ से start हो रहा है? Okay, just the wrong point I have collected. So line command. So what is this point coordinates? 90 comma minus 10 or what? This is 90 comma 10. So this will be 90 comma minus 10 below this. Specify the point 90 comma minus 10. Okay, now here started here, but this should be continuous line. So we are dealing with the object, so you will start with 0 layer, that is continuous line layer. Now line command, you have to start line command, specify the first point, that is 90 comma minus 10, press enter, your point started here. Now from that point you have to go, you have to complete the top view. I hope you have drawn this top view using your pen and paper in the means reference. Okay, so I will start from here, and curvature will be from this center line. So up to the curvature means up to here I will plot a straight line, and as soon as I get to this line I will end this line. Okay, so press and escape. Again start with the line command from this point. Okay, so what was the point? Minus, sorry, 90 comma minus 10. From this point again I have to take the distance of 30 unit for the top view. So directly you can see on the screen itself the option is there, you can directly put the distance, so 30 distance, then press enter, and after that again go to the left direction, and in going in the left direction I can have 56 distance. Okay, 56 distance, because the center line is at 56. I will put the 56 distance and press enter, so it is catching it. Okay, so this top view, part of the top view is done. Now I have to complete this curvature part. So curvature part is starting with the center of the center line. Okay, so I have to create one center line first of all. Center line, so I will go to the center line layer, and I will create a line using line command, and that center line should be passing through the center of this line. Okay, this is a midpoint. Okay, I hope this is a correct midpoint here. Okay, I will terminate it here, and so now I got this midpoint of this, so from this I can draw this circle here. So this circle should be a continuous line, so I have to select the 0 layer, that is continuous line layer. Then what I can do is I can start with the circle command or arc command. You need to have arc command, arc command. This arc will start with this center here, or you can start from here also, or it's just good to have this circle command. Okay, circle command. For that circle command, your center should be at this point. Okay, so this point is not getting catched, so you can have the snaps in the option crossing line, intersection line, you turn it on, so your intersection line is also catched. Okay, so they see here intersection point is catched. Now from here you can draw this circle, and what is the diameter of the circle? Okay, you see this is radius of the circle. So what is the radius of circle now? See, you can snap it here, or you can put the radius as 15. Okay, so I will just type the radius 15 and then press enter. Now this part is created, but I want only the outer part. Inside the object this part can be trimmed off, so using trim command I will trim the part which is not required. Okay, now you can see the top view like this. Now the circles are missing, these circles. Okay, the circles along this cross section of the center line, and which will be having diameter of 13 or radius of 6.5. Again I will start with the center circle command. I will get this cross section or intersection point. From that I need 6.5 of radius, then press enter. Similarly, again I can draw one more circle here in the cross section of this intersection of this. 6.5 is the radius, and this circle is created. So from the top you can see these outer edges as well as these two circles, but this part is there. This line should be, means this edge should be visible from the top view. The left hand side question statement, you can see this should be visible from the top view. Again, this notch will be visible from the top view. So I will just draw this line from the projection along these projections. Okay, so these projections are here, so you just have to connect this line using line command. Okay, from this intersection point to this intersection point, then press enter. Okay, this extra part is created, delete this extra part. Okay, now this line is created. Now another part is this edge will be visible, only this edge will be visible from the top. So this edge will be starting from here to here. Again, line command, intersecting point from here to here, then press enter. Okay, so that's it. From the top view, you will be seeing only this circle, this notch, and this edge and outer edges. You can check the layout to confirm this. Okay, so this is the layout. Now this is about this top view and side view. So I will explain, sorry, this is about this front view and top view. I will explain the side view in next video.